This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday, FOMC day. Hope everyone's had a great night. We're ready for a great day. Let's look at the markets overnight, shall we? Hey, Ghost. How the heck are you today? Lost my trading view window. There we go. Markets have been wild. We saw the huge drop yesterday, and it was trying to come back, and then we saw a huge drop on Microsoft earnings. And then it's been coming back up all night, and it's actually above yesterday's high. Big range. Low on ES 54.51. High 29. Holy crap. So that's what, the 49 and 29, 71, like 70 points in range. I'm doing good, thank you. NQ, obviously, same move. And 861 all the way up to 260, so 140, 260, about 400? Yeah, 400, 860, 960, yeah. I'm not sure I've ever seen 400 points of range in an overnight. Wow. I should have traded overnight. Copper's been going wild. It's 200 ticks. That's a huge overnight range. Ultra Bond, Ultra Bond couldn't care less. It's less than a point in range. Gold, gold's got up to 2470. It's near its all-time high, I believe. 2443, 49 the low, so about 21 points in range. Let's really quickly look at that. Ooh, that's ugly. All-time high 2488, so only 18 points above all-time high. Crude oil rebounded too. It was trying to hang on to 75. Now it's getting up to 77.5. Almost 2.5 points of range there. Natural gas not having a fun day though. And Bitcoin sitting just above 66K. That's the way sit stand there, or whatever body posture you're choosing to take today. Back to NQ today. We'll be doing gold again tomorrow. We're going to go back to our NQ today. Now, before stream, I grabbed this blue candle for 10 points on 2 contracts. So I'm actually starting the day up 400 out. News today, besides the FOMC in the afternoon, we actually have a bunch. We have U.S. ADP employment change coming up in 10 minutes. We have Canadian GDP and U.S. unemployment costs. I remember seeing that before. Coming up at 8:30, U.S. Chicago PMI at 9:45, U.S. pending home sales at 10 o'clock, and crude oil inventories at 10:30. So a busy day in the neighborhood. Last day of the month. So for you prop traders, bunch of sales ending are scheduled to end. We know that like Apex has this habit of extending their sales forever. So, but Apex, Bulenox, Phidias, Earn the Trade, Uprofit, and Uprofit always just makes a new sale. I'm not sure why they just don't continue the old one. And Elite Trader Funding and Funded Futures Network all have sales ending today. If anyone's interested in that, links for all of those, of course, always in the video description below. and being posted by Nightbot. The purple candle sign that it wants to come down. Well, purple candle went away, so guess it's not a sign. So Ghost, you did some over trading, but you ended up green for the day. I think that happens to just about everybody, Ghost. I mean, I know I one of my main issues is I end up seeing setups that aren't really setups. You know, I don't read the market as well in real time as when I'm backtesting. So, you know, it's like I question my legitimate setups and I I take those non-legitimate ones. Wacky Wicks. Be a good name for our podcast. We're just hanging right here on this couple on the couple EMAs there, right at around 19,250, a little above it. So over at the MightyOxTrading Discord, we're all excited for the Ag Products Challenge. If anyone wants to join us with that, we're all getting just a cheap evaluation account and seeing if we can pass it with just 4 unpopular ag products: soybean meal, feeder cattle, and lean hogs. Lots of fun and excitement. It really blew up more than I thought it was going to. We have people like CFT, Josh, formerly of Blusky, Charlie Baker, and others. Like there's like a dozen of us now. Which I mean, I admit this has gotten bigger than I thought. I thought we would have less than 5 people, but love to have everyone else join. It's just something fun. It's a challenge to see whether people can get funded. It's not a race or anything. We're not trying to see who can get funded the fastest. We want to see people, just practice trading something they don't normally trade, and most people don't normally trade, and just have some fun with it. Most people are using a Bulenox 25K account, which at least for the rest of the day costs like $14. So if interested, go to the Discord or just let me know here and we'll help you get set up. Five minutes till that first news event, U.S. ADP non-employment. I'm sorry, U.S. ADP non-farm employment change. Purple candle trying to break the 20 here. Nope, went away. So Ghost, you haven't slept since you said good morning on the Discord like last evening, right? Are you done trading though now, or if you see something, you're still gonna grab it? Just try to push down here. I bet you this is gonna be a good short, but I'm not taking it. I thank you for hanging in here with me. This is WBKOX on your FM dial. Bouncy, bouncy. Here comes the U.S. ADP non-farm employment change. Here at WBKOX, we don't have gold and platinum hits. We have actual gold and platinum. So far, that news is a nothing burger. Little pop, but nothing much. Yeah, yeah, a little bit bigger pop. Took a little while, but suddenly, boom. Is this high day? I forget. It is. We're at high day. Now, ES has already passed yesterday's high, and it's trying to hit Monday's high, which is 55.34. It's about 3 points off. NQ not yet at yesterday's high, which was 319. Still has about 50 points to go. Oh, look at that though. Boom. Pulls back a little bit. Hey, Tip, how you doing? I'm doing great, thank you. And Q continues to rise up, as does ES, Dow. I want to thank everyone for joining me today. I have a nice crowd this morning. Our viewership has been down lately. See, we're at 16 people. Hope you all doing well. Feel free to join us in the chat. And Q's still rising up here. I did take one trade before the stream started. I'm up 400 bucks. Trying to get up to 19.3. I said yesterday's high was 19.319. Morning, Juan. How are you? Are we exhausting here at 291? try to come down from there. Oh, still fighting to try and move up. The fight here, 288. High is 291.5. Still sitting. We're going sideways right now. Sideways down a one-way street. Anyone else taking any trades this morning? Besides Ghost. I know Ghost has been trading. Man, we're getting a purple. Purple nurple. Nope. And immediately goes away. I mean, the purple candle there, but nope. Back up the blue. Talk about a fight right here. Hey, Speed Racer, how you doing? There was news that there was news 10 minutes ago. Next news coming up is in 5, but I don't think it's a big one. It's Canadian GDP and U.S. employment costs. Watching this fight here. Yep, just made a new high. 291.75. And continuing up, there's 300. So consolidation and then continue move up. Oil dropping. Now it might be coming down. Kind of break the 9. So it made one more effort there. Let's see if it bounces on the 9 or breaks it. Right now it's a bounce. Got that news coming up here in 10 seconds. Oh, wow. Okay, so that news was more than I thought I was going to do. Whips up to 315. Wow. Within like 2 seconds, it went from 275 to 315 and back down. Gold was all wonky there too. Staying above 300. 319 was yesterday's high. ES now is above Monday's high. It's above Thursday's high. This is that top that Ghost was talking about, how we've kind of reached that same area several days. See if it can break upwards and start making back that huge loss day from last Wednesday. Saying Q continues to climb. Back up to 317. Up 322. So now has broken yesterday's high. It's going to be a busy month of August in trading. August has 22 trading days, I believe. Yes, 22 trading days, no holidays. August is one of the few months that does not have any holidays that interrupt trading. MightyOxTrading will have a special London to New York live stream on August 16th, Friday, August 16th. We'll start at 2 a.m. Eastern time and run through, I think it's 11:30 a.m. Eastern time. Yeah, 11:30. So 9.5 hours. And then on Friday the 9th, Friday the 23rd, we won't be streaming here at YouTube. I'll be streaming over at the Funded Futures Network Discord. Probably got to do an all-day stream one day as well, me and RJ. Haven't figured out which date that's going to be yet. Might have found our top. Don't know yet. See if it moves down to the 9. I took that trade on Topstep X. 5 micros. I've entered at 19,312 half just to see if we can get down to the 9, just for a quick micro trade. Not risking a lot there. Looks like it's not going to do it. That's why I didn't take it on anything huge, because it was not early in my setup to do so. Morning, Chris. How are you today? Gold with a big drop there. Yeah, there's NQ trying again. Comes to the 9. Can it break it? Oh yeah, look at that. So it's closed out a 13-point trade on 5 micros on Topstep X. Here, let me pull up that window so you can all see it, so you don't think I'm lying to you. There we go. You see, I entered 312 half down to 299 quarter. So that was a pretty good get out as well. It pops back up above 300. So 1 win on Topstep this morning, 1 win on MyFundedFutures. MyFundedFutures was before the stream started. 2 contracts for 10 points. Hey, it's trying to break down through here again. Trying to see if it can pop back up. It's between the 9 and the 20. Pops back up. Nice pop. Well, maybe a pullback so it can go higher. $20 minutes till the top of the hour. We have more news after the bell today. Verizon. Look at that. Nice. Moves back up. Let's try to hit the high again. 323.25. Is it going to explode or are we going to double top? There's a new high. 25.5. Gold is all wonky over there. $331.5 new high. ES rising up, 55.41 there. Here comes crew of the bounce. Gold is ugly. Glad I am not trading gold today. Starting tomorrow, I'll be looking for to set up some feeder cattle. It's not open yet, but this was yesterday on a 3-minute chart. It's kind of funky. Should be interesting. It's kind of pausing here. Now we're seeing a little bit of a purple. Struggling to get above 334 here. 334 seems to be the high. Really hasn't taken a breath for a bit. We can see we've been moving up since here. So for about 30 minutes, it's nice to move up. And even before that, I mean, been moving up since the top of the hour, really. It was consolidated, moved up, had a little bit of consolidation, continued moving up. And there we go. Not really pausing here yet either. Up to 337. So this is an amazing overnight. I mean, since we're still pre-market, This thing has moved from a low of 861 all the way up to 335. So, you know, math. I hate math. 335 minus 861. Really? 526 points? Are we really up 500 points? You know, I could have checked the daily chart. That would have been smart, wouldn't it? 400 points. That sounds right. Yeah, my math was off. I thought so. Still, 400 points. It's still going. $350. Sits higher. EMD's trying to pop. Pulled back a tad from 352 down to 341. It was a quick pullback. Maybe it's going to try and come down here. Hard to tell. So when something is coming down fast, it's don't catch a falling knife. What happens when it's going up fast is that don't get in front of a raging rocket. Purple. Went away. Everybody got quiet. Where's John DeFore this morning? He's late. Still struggling to get above this 352, 353 area. What kind of craziness will we see at the bell? EMD is trying to bounce. Move down here. Purple. But right on that line. Short, I think. Why isn't it? Am I not logged in? Whoops. There we go. Oops. Didn't mean to do that. Ah, it's moving against me. Hey, John. Yeah, been pretty amazing, huh? Looks like this is gonna stop me out. I really questioned taking it there. I should have listened to myself. Yep, stopped out. It's coming back down. If I put my stop above this candle, it would still be in. Yeah. Watch me have gotten stopped out there if I just listened to myself and put the target, the stop above that candle there. It'd still be in, but it might still go up. Yeah, I should have listened to myself there, Ghost. So you've been doing well this morning, John. I know you love going long. Still can't get through the 9. Top of the hour. Hey, John, did you see the Phillies traded Soto? Hey, GB. Thinking it's going to 385? Thanks, R. Farrell. I hope you're doing well. Nice. Wow, that's wonderful. Actually, 2 prospects, John. I mean, they're lottery ticket type prospects, but prospects nonetheless. I don't blame you, Farrell. I would very happily stop there with that kind of win. Still can't get through the 9. Good idea. Especially with this, the week ahead. It's FOMC today and non-farm payroll Friday. Part of me feels like this run-up is to lead into a dump on FOMC when they come to the sudden realization that they're not dropping interest rates today. In case anyone missed it, I posted a video yesterday about all the issues currently going on in the futures prop firm world. I've gotten some very positive reviews on it. We talk about Blusky, we talk about Apex, we talk about customer service issues, we talk about the quick expansion of all the new props all of a sudden. A couple other issues. Thank you, GB. I appreciate that. We'll try to do more of those as there's things that come up. And morning, RJ. Have we found the top now? We've been saying that. Well, we've been hanging around this at 355 area. Thank you, John. Yeah, the prop firms, the affiliate stuff pays my bills right now, but I refuse to just be a shill for them and not point out things that might be hurting the industry. But I think that since I try to do it in a respectful way, it shouldn't get them all their panties in a bunch. But the goal is to eventually get my trading income to replace my affiliate income, where I might decide just to drop them all besides maybe one or two that I really want to work with, and not feel, and that way when I'm giving opinions, everybody knows. I mean, right now when I give my opinions, it doesn't matter. I'm not not biased in any way because I'm making good sales from that prop. But I know. Could think that. So my goal is eventually that I move on from the affiliate stuff, and that way people will not think I have any hidden agendas when I give my opinions, even though I don't anyway. But like I said, you know, I, I wouldn't blame people for wondering at least. Nice pop here. I didn't trust the blue candle. I should have trusted the blue candle. Going for that 385 that GB mentioned. 371 is the new high. '71's where it's top so far. It's nice to see a nice crowd here this morning. Thank you all for being here. Saying hi. Always feel free to join us in the chat. Questions and comments, always welcome. My streams have been struggling lately for viewership. So if anyone has any feedback, anything you'd like to see on the streams besides more winning trading, I'm working on that. You know, anything you guys don't like, anything like that, let me know. Yeah, RJ, summertime is part of it. I understand that, but I mean, I was seeing lows. I've been seeing lows that I haven't seen since I started streaming. Like one day my average was under 10. So it's a little bit more than just summertime. Slow grind back down, maybe now 71 down the. We're sitting at 64 now. Second purple candle often is a good one. Dow down to the EMA, 9 EMA. So that second purple was good. Oh, these are small candles, so maybe I shouldn't say good. This is we've really slowed down as we head to the bell. 15 minutes away. Then a pop. Oh. So on my Blusky account, I took a trade on EMD. I took it off this candle here. I got a bad fill. I got filled late, but I'm up $140 on it. I think I'm gonna get out there because of this candle I'm seeing there. I was just up at $200. There's a big spread. There's over a point of spread there. So we're gonna get out for the 140. There we go. That's a nice win. You can see I got terrible fill on that, which is not surprising because EMD gives you terrible fills. Morning, Ace. How are you? NQ still not giving it up. Still riding high. Hey, Mrs. Ace. Good to hear from you. Hope you have a great day. Purple. Well, thank you. It's almost August. Ace, when does your school routine start? I remember back in my day, school didn't start until after Labor Day. August was still a free month. Good luck on that, Mr. Ace. Ooh, gold's popping up there. Up, looks like I should have stayed in that EMD. Let's see. Yep, came down. There was a little bit red, now it popped back up. But that's okay. That might have been the pivot point for EMD, though. Watch it go up the rest of the day. Still doing a can dance here on the EMA. You'll get it back, Ace. You've already had your one red day this year. You're not allowed anymore. Sitting here. Sitting. Market has slowed down as we head toward the bell. Really amazing overnight action. Just about 500 points on NQ, like almost 80 on ES. If the Fed shocks the world and lowers interest rates, we're going to go to the moon. I don't think that's going to happen today. I think that's going to happen in September. Sideways action. Dow big drop. They're in the 5-minute chart. I mean, it probably dropped on every chart, but I'm looking at a 5-minute chart. If it didn't drop on every chart, that would be really weird. Ooh, there's a drop. And look at that bounce. Wow. It's a little choppy. $362 is where we're holding right now, heading toward the bell. I did get out the EMD. It's pulling back now. Oh, pop. New high day. 373. Wants to get GVs 385 before the bell. My software is being stupid. I'm under another severe thunderstorm watch. So let me really quick before the bell here check radar. Oh, baby. There's just some rain over us now. Looks like stuff's mainly going north. All right. So you think it's going to down short to there and then bounce, hopefully, maybe? 45 seconds. Boom. Well, there's 385 that GB called. Hit 390. Pulling back. Dow looks like a long to me. NQ coming down. Ooh, big coming down. Whoosh. Hit 390. We're already back down to 345. A holy boom on the Dow. I took a Dow trade on NQ in at 40.0966. Out at 41,000 even for a $170 win on the Dow. Looking for a bounce here on the NQ. Yes, you did. Hassan told me I would have been an awesome swinger. Still dropping on NQ. Down to 333. Dow continues to rise. Big blue candle there on NQ as well. I should have stayed in the Dow, but it's okay. I'm happy with it. Ooh, dropping on NQ down toward that 100 EMA. Choppy. Did not get the blue candle there with NQ. Great call by RJ there on the Dow. NQ falls. Gold's running up. NQ down to the 100 EMA. Tries to break it. God, I hate it when they break the 100 EMA. You know how expensive it is to replace those? Down. Pops. I don't like the price action here. The Dow is easy today. I read that one real well with the help of RJ mentioning levels. Took a winning trade on EMD earlier, Hassan. Oh, big old blue candle. No, actually long. Try to figure out if I want to take this blue candle or not. I don't think I do. No, it went away anyway. So yeah, I took it off this blue candle here, Hassan. I got out here because it pulled back. Ended up going up a little bit further, but I'm not mad where I got out. Did take a whole point of slippage in the entry. Dow continuing to push. And Q trying to head back up. So was this just a dip in order to get some power to go higher? Feeder cattle up and down. And Q trying to break through this 20 EMA. Dow back down. Dow hit the 100 EMA on the 1 minute chart to the tick and then fell. Blue candle. Ace is long. That blue candle went away from me. Yep, it's back. I'm long. Wow. I got a late fill on that. That's going to hurt. I was a little bit late, I admit that, but I wasn't that late. And I'm going to get stopped out. Ouch. Damn it. Good job, Ace. So again, I want to invite everyone to join our Ag Products Challenge. A bunch of us are going to attempt to pass an eval with just 4 unpopular ag products. It's a fun little challenge, and I got stopped out there, and then it went. Should have moved my stop to where it was supposed to be. I'm an idiot. We have news coming up in 5. But our ag products challenge has a lot of, just fun thing to do with 4 unpopular ag products. CFT's doing it. Charlie Baker's doing it. Josh, formerly of Blusky, is doing it. Trying not to cry over taking that loss and then that going for me there. It's just a fun little thing we're going to do. Love to have more people join. We have about a dozen people so far. Not really. This is the feeder cattle 3-minute chart, and you can see the huge gaps in it. Daily volume yesterday was only 3,487 contracts. And we just hit 400. We broke 400 up to 408. Nice ace. If a setup occurs during the stream, I will. Yeah. I'm going to set up an alert on it. Because I've traded soybean oil, soybean meal, and lean hogs in the past, and I've never traded feeders, I'm going to just try and stick to the feeder cattle. But the rules of the challenge is you can trade any of them, or all of them, or any of them, whatever. Soybean oil is probably the easiest to trade. Pulls back. Big old purple candle. It pulls up. Nice job, Ace. Told you you'll get it back. Thank you for following the rules and not having a second red day for the year. I should have taken the purple and missed it. That would have been 10. Yep. Thank you, GB. We do have news into, as he just said, it is U.S. Chicago PMI. Chicago. Mad at myself for not taking that purple. I only remember him saying he had one red day. So he was telling me to convince him it was okay to walk away being red. That was a nice move down. That was an idiotic. That every signal was there for me to take that, and I didn't. Wow, look at that. Back down to that 100 EMA, all the way down to 328. So, 90-point drop in 2 minutes, and I didn't take it, but whatever. Someone smacked me. Got stopped out on this beautiful blue candle because I didn't put my stop in the right place, and then I didn't take the purple candle. There's news. Bouncing off the 100. Let's see if it bounces or breaks. News was not, well, I mean, it's popping up by 17 points, but we're having big candles before then. All of a sudden, our candles have gotten absolutely huge. Oops. It's accidentally turned off my phone. Good job. Just trying to come back down. And then up. Taking 5 micros because I don't trust it. Where the heck's my stop? I don't have any stop. What the heck? Didn't I have no, I have ATM off. Yay. Crap. Yeah, it's not working. Try to crawl back down. Coming back up. There we go. Come on. Boom. Ah. Boom and bust. Trying to hold for longer. I guess I shouldn't have. I was up 10 points. I was up 14 points and I didn't take it. Now it's reversing. Another blue candle. Trying again. Well, it's a blue candle on the 5 actually, but the 1's not agreeing with it. Fed does not until this afternoon, John. FOMC 2 Eastern. Still holding this trade. Looking for a pop back up. Blue candle on the 1. Oh, good. Boom. I got to start taking those booms. What the heck? Every time I see boom, I think it's just going to continue going, and I'm not taking my target, or not taking a target. Out. Took a small win. Should have been a much bigger win. Nice. I got out. I probably should have stayed in, but nice, John. Not that you're down from your high, but that you're moving on up. Still rising. Back to 400. There it is. Break of 400. Yeah, Dow's back down. I got lucky on that long I took on the Dow. Our high was 414. It just touched 405. Yeah, we do have more news. I forget what it is. Hold on, let me look. U.S. pending home sales. That Asian night was not good. I ended up taking a pretty big loss. Stupid trading. Now, if I had traded last night, that would have been amazing. Last night's Asia session was wonderful, and I didn't trade it. And oh yeah, NKD, big time giving up the ghost. That perfect purple candle there breaks the 9 and then it drops like a rock. That would have been so beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Oh, sorry. Ooh, mid-cap's falling hard too. Taking the long there again on micros. This time I actually have a stop in place. Wow, it just got within a point of my target and then pulled back. Really? Got within a point of my target and then pulled all the way back. There we go. Come on. Come on. Not gonna go. Out. Small loss. Dang. And I shouldn't have got out. Whatever. Oh, I hit my target. Rising up. Still doing the same stupid mistakes I keep doing. There's 420. Up to 427. Pulls back now. And down. Purple candle. Watching. Non-EMA sits in the way. Bounces on it. Back up. 427's in the high. 500-point daily candle now. Hits the band, comes back down. Just trading horribly today. You can see all these blue candles would have worked. It's the only one that kind of didn't. That was right before news. This one would have been beautiful. And it's just continuing to rise up. Someone, R. Farrell said, what, 530 earlier? Purple. ATR above 20. Nope, went away. Still going up. EMD's trying to pop up. Here comes NQ down. Is it break? Will it break the 9? Nope, bounces on it. Come on, drop. There we go. Target hit. 10 points. Thank you, John. Purple candle again. The early bird catches the trend. Trying to come down again. Hanging on that 9. Just hanging. Hanging. No, no go. No go. Where's it gonna go? Where have you come from? Where have you been? Break of the 20. Oh yeah, Dow's exploding. So it's not the Dow Chemical Company, we're good. Yeah, huge move up. Gold just made a huge move down. Wow. 2.5 points there in gold. And then pop. Beautiful, RJ, beautiful. And Q popped back up, bounced off that 9. And Q up to 458. There's your 92, RJ. Oh, just hit 95 according to my chart. 41,095. And there's NQ. Is NQ gonna get 500? $467. I was pretty lucky on that little short I grabbed there. That was just a real quick pullback. I got to get better with momentum, with trend, whatever you want to call trading. That's my one area that's keeping me from being the richest man in the world. Well, no, but you know what I'm saying. Beautiful trade, RJ. Beautiful trade. The dump is happening on gold. Down. So 471. Sorry, I didn't mean to sound like a snake. 471 seems to be the high now. Hey, Crypticon, how you doing? Yes, to do. That sale might end today, Crypticon. Again, I want to invite everybody, if you want to join us in our agriculture products challenge, which is basically get yourself a cheap eval or an expensive eval, but we're all doing it with cheap evals except for CFT, and see if you can pass the eval with just 4 of the more unpopular ag products: feeder cattle, lean hogs, soybean oil, soybean meal. Just a fun little challenge. It's not even a race, it's just to see who can do it. CFT's doing it. Josh, formerly of Blusky, is doing it. Charlie Baker, and a bunch of others. Love to have you all as part of the challenge. We're starting it tomorrow. That's a daily chart. Oh, there looks ugly. So far, man, right here, this will have been an entry for me on feeders. If I had held, wow, that would have been beautiful on feeder. 44 ticks, and the tick value is the same as ES. That would have been a nice move. No. Crypt. Wait, that's my URL. Well, that's my URL. The code is hold on. Please hold for the next available operator. There you go. Thank you, Crypt. Pop up, blue candle, bounced off the 20. And down. Thank you, Crypt. I appreciate it. Remember, anyone else, if you want those Apex 80% off, 1-day pass, and the big accounts, the 150, the 250, and the 300K are just $40. Sale is scheduled to end tonight. They've extended it now. I believe the sale's been going for 6 weeks, maybe longer. I don't know. I feel like I was such a younger man when that sale started. We're long. I mean, we're short. Come on, drop. Nope. Drop, drop, drop. I hate taking big candles. This is why. Chasing me back up. Come on. Strategy is the stop should be at the top of the trigger candle. That it didn't go up that high, but man, it's gonna nail me. Never mind. Doesn't matter. So big candle got me again. Crude oil inventories come up if anyone's trading crude in a little more than a minute. Okay, I want to thank everyone for joining me today. About a half an hour left in the stream. If you're new, welcome. Feel free to join us in the chat. If you're old, welcome. Feel free to join us in the chat. hanging here. Blue candle. Seems like it doesn't know what it wants to. Well, I guess it does know what it wants to do. Trying to push back up. Does it want 500? I think it might. Yep. Nice pop. Here's the run to 500. Here's that run to 500. $481. So crude oil did not like its inventories, down a bunch. And down. Come on, I know you want 500 NQ. Just do it. Maybe it's going to listen to me. Not the most convincing blue candle in the world. Oops, that was rude. Moves up. Trying. There's 86, 88. Come on. Just a little bit more. How's everybody doing? Are we green? Pulls back. So it does not get 500. Got within 6 points of it. Pulls back. Is this just another pullback for the move up? Find out. Listen more. Pretty big pullback. 30 points. Wow. Quick move down. Y'all got quiet on me again. Purple candle. Trying to come down. So is that our high maybe? I don't know. It's fooled me once, fool me twice. Fool me once again. Oh, sorry. JJR. Haven't heard from him today. Hey, you got it, Crypt? Nice. Well, now make sure you treat that PA like it's gold. Well, no, I mean that doesn't work. You know what I mean. Accidentally hit the close button. That was stupid. So I got two and a quarter points there on that trade. Back up. And down and up. There's JJR. I had a feeling he might have been here. How's the trading going this morning, JJR? Back up. Okay, was this the pullback? Or we've got our springboard back up? These are the hard-hitting questions we ask on MightyOxTrading. Bad red, JJR? And there's no need to hide. We all have red days. It's all part of the game. It's time to play the game. . 148, I believe, GB. Let me verify that on my spreadsheet. Yeah, 148 for the 50K. Nice. Did you take any more trades on that, RJ, or are you just watching? You're welcome. Yeah, take a little break, JJR. For those of unaware, made me think of it because GB asked if you are a member of our Discord, and I'm gonna just do this now because I don't want to jump in a trade right now. Oh, actually, I might want to jump in a trade. Hold on a minute. I'll finish that thought. Purple candle's not doing what I hoped it would. It's okay. Back to that. Where's my software? Buried. On the Discord, we have the comparison sheets for all the prop firms. This is the 50K comparison sheet. It shows you cheapest by Eval, and then the cheapest by the total cost. We list out the funded setup fees, the total cost, how many accounts you're allowed to have, the targets, the drawdowns, the minimum days, and the consistency rules. And then we also do it by the end of day accounts. Same thing. Everything's listed out. And I post both the ranking by eval cost and by overall cost. That's one of the things we offer, and I do update it. This one's I need to still update from the latest sale. I try to update them every time a sale starts or ends. I sometimes fall behind, and we have this for the 25K, the 50K, the 100K, and the 150K account sizes for all the major futures prop firms. The only ones we don't have on here are ones that I don't think people should ever be a part of, like Lulu. That purple candle was good. I should have taken it, but hey. Well, either way, RJ, you've had a great day. Have a great day. Right, $85. And if on your first payout, you actually get it refunded. But their funded setup fee, I think, is like $130. That's a good, very good point, RJ. No, I may not have that sheet updated yet, but the the sale with the no activation fees for take profit trader ended. So now you have the 50% off, but with the activation fees, and the activation fees is 130. So overall, the total will be 215. But when you get your first payout, you can get that $85 refunded. You're welcome, GB. Refill their coffee cups. Yeah, it's a big pullback there. Wow, big pullback. And Q popping. Has it found a low? Sniffs the 9. Last call for the Ag Challenge. We'll be starting that tomorrow. Join us. pull back on the feeder candle. Ooh, sorry, didn't need to hit the mic. Soybean oil. Taking the long, trying to get up to the 20. Got to the 20. I'm out. Oh, should have stayed. 6 points. It's because of all the alcohol, RJ. You know you want to join the challenge, RJ. Awesome. We have a spreadsheet all set up for everybody that's participating. Everyone reports in their daily P&L. We're also asking to see trade logs to make sure no one like slips in an NQ trade. You don't have to, you're not actually trying to pass an eval with it, RJ. You're just doing it with this. I don't need to see your logs. Have a great day, Crypticon. See you tomorrow as a funded trader. Nice rise up here. I should have stayed in, obviously. Yeah, you don't need to worry about, if you're just doing it with us, but you're not going to like try to pass an eval. You're just kind of doing it with us or whatever. I don't need to see your logs. I don't think you're going to lie to me about taking trades. Just like the people that are participating in it are have agreed to show their trades, so everybody knows that nobody tried to slip in a trade on NQ or something, E or ES. That's cool. That works for me. I appreciate you being part of it. And we have reached the top of the hour, so we are done for today. We'll be back tomorrow, 8 a.m. We'll talk about what they do at FOMC and all that fun stuff. Be careful. All right. And yeah, that's it. I lost my train of thought there. Have a great day, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Oh yeah, reminder: all the sales are ending tonight. There we go. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.